know, I'm aware I look rough, but today, March 18th, is my husband's birthday. So we're not doing anything big today, but on Saturday we're going out. So I arranged for him to get a cake. So the cake is now on the way. The person called, pick up you, and said they're on their way with the cake. So we're going to surprise him with a cake for today, because he not expect nothing for today. He might expect things for Saturday, but on a Saturday, today. So we're going to give him a cake today, and you guys are going to see that. Okay guys, so I have the cake. The cake is here. I'm just waiting for him to get home. In call and say I'm on him way. So yeah, I hit the cake though, so when he come in, he probably I gotta expect to see something, but nothing will be here. I'm gonna make him go bed and all of that, and then I'll take out the cake and sing him happy birthday and all of that. So yeah, you guys will see. Maybe, I'm not sure if I get for record it, you know.
So you do this? What's supposed to leave the house? Babe, what is this?
Down.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I want to get the card, yeah.
You can't record it? Thank you. No, look at this. This is a boss, huh? You want to see the picture?
Turn around the camera so they can't see.
No, yeah, easy now. I am from with this man, so can I start? Don't go on the road that we take you away. Stay in the house. I'm not going to do nothing.
Yeah, man. The way on the road.
B, I say we give him a good look one, so can I say that we take you away. Don't get nobody know nobody. Don't take a taxi, stay in the house. She should not come out. Mighty God.
I didn't come out. The cake came to me.
No, sir. This is a kind of celebration. Hold on. Yeah, I'm going to buy 2 champagne.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, boss, man.
Or is not open name the answer.
I'm going to call them later and boss man them.
Go. No.
No, I'm going to know that it is like, we tell us in the corner, I can't carry them.
Come on, here.
Someone easy now? I like it, babe.
So, Shauna Gay bought you a cake. Chrisanne delivered the cake.
Okay. Okay. I see. I love it.
On the ear, him love it.
Look at my picture, man.
Me tell him it's a picture cake you want.
Yeah, but now like thing look up. No, it's not up on my stuff. It's up like 7. Like, look how me come and say tired. And I say, boy.
Oh God.
Thank you.
You're most welcome.
Oh my God. So they have this all planned out. I have play me.
This a plan try you before last.
I they have play me.
You know how much time I asked about cake last night?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, babe. I'm literally gonna show. I'm literally gonna cut my half eat that one. And put that one. You can't post that. Anyways, let me cut off my foot then. Show my foot, baby. I don't know how to cut off my foot yet. And this is not paper, this is actually ice nigga here.
Never say cut it foot, me said.
Let me go.
Cut it so.
Oh, like here, so?
Yeah, just this one.
Guys, this is actually ice nigga, it's not paper.
No, I'm
Yeah.
joking.
This is no fake cake around here. That picture of that young man you see on that thing there is actually me in the ice nigga. Yeah, right. Nobody not get my head to eat now. Yeah, you know.
What? You know. What we know? Hi guys!
You know we're here again on what day?
Your birthday trip.
Yeah. So my birthday didn't come, you know? But we are going today.
On Thursday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we are going today. And guess what? We are carrying with it. Yeah? So stay.
Yeah,
I guess who else we are carrying with it? Yo. So we are carrying Oakton. And we are carrying Chrissy with me. We are carrying Big Road, is it? Yeah.
I got big road.
Yeah, Big Road. Yes, guys. So remember though, don't just pre the video, you need to subscribe to the channel.
Yeah.
If you're new.
Yeah.
You need to also like
Yeah.
the video. You need to share the video. You need to tell somebody about I am ready for love. So people never know say YouTube, they will go on them and say, huh? But yeah.
You look out of the world where the sea.
What about it?
Is that what you want from me? I've done everything that I could do. Water from the So guys, we're here and it's beautiful. Yeah. So we're going to have a great day. Enjoy a little sunshine at the Bahai Principe. Then go on with me. Oh, here's a better view. So I made it a go on a full view all along. So, birthday boy. Birthday boy.
I'm gonna do. Can I find a little here? I'm gonna sit down, put in the bag or something.
How you feel?
No, let me stop it.
How you feel?
Let me stop it.
How do you feel?
Yeah, let me stop it, man.
How you feel?
Okay.
Besties here for the birthday boy.
No.
So you never have no clue?
No clue at all.
Because when he say him out tell Orius to come, I say call him now. And then me text Orius and say, can you say you can't come?
They made a group for you.
Oh yeah, we have one group on WhatsApp. Yes, and Chrissy slap him when he was a weed attack.
And seeing him have some bigger table I want to get in. I'm second it's like, yeah, we can't put when you got some bigger table that is for away.
Me say the amount of time out and nearly boss and Chrissy have to turn it around.
You tell the ladies somebody's going to come?
Yeah.
So she said the table?
So how do you feel? How do you feel?
People, we don't just call inside again.
Why not? Why?
I'm here. All them are liars, yeah? Official liars.
So we're here for Jerome's birthday weekend. We're chill and sing. And you never know so Orius come. Shana, big up yourself because you did supposed to come.
Give me this point tonight. You know about my second. Here.
Yes.
Yeah,
you can't stop her from bad much.
Can you say cool? Not just again now. Yeah, rebirth too long. But folks are like rich.
Hope that chill out everything. So we made a group chat to celebrate Jerome's birthday. But everybody here knew about it. Him just found out about the group chat and everything. So he was thoroughly surprised. And we're happy about that. Because he always try to surprise me. And I go like so nobody can surprise him.
You believe him?
You believe him?
Yes, no.
You don't believe him again?
Yeah. So I just wipe it out of my mind completely. Come and say, oh yes, I do anything forward. I see him, you know, I see him to tell her. I say to her, say,
yeah.
Jerome, I expect him to come because I know something. Once you know, say, I push out the effort. Oh, yeah, no, say that to me. I say, anything I know, he's over some sick one there, man. And all of me, the 6 times. He was missing. It's a wicked man. But you have to get this weekend, man. You're gone, man. Finally, I trust you. That's a bad boy. Wanna get told already? Hold on, get up on YouTube, let's see. And that is over there. Who's that?
Hold on there. Don't know the next. Or the next video. Where the next video? Push next video. Push next video.
Are you near Coco?
I one and only man, real and proper, real and copper. I run through the place just like a matter. Here is my wife.
Come here, I get a big intro. Yo, if you have my phone, John, they get a big intro. Come over here, sir. This on an iPhone. This on an iPhone. You have to turn up on a Sonic. Come here.
S21 that.
You're still the funny now. I know I'm blessed. I have the beautiful wife in Babylon.
A little version.
Wow, good on this.
As far as I can.
Oh, what can last? Hear me now. No for them love like said that. Yo.
That money can't go in the water without the plastic.
No.
No, it can no, it can no, I don't want it.
You just the plastic.
I'm supposed to use it. Well, we never use this particular one, but we do it already. Don't worry, babe, we're going. I'll show you how we are seeing. Alright, so now we're going to have a race, and we have from the Greenlands Empire. Just raise your hand in block 1. You know they come from Greenlands Empire with that. Top raise your hand, man. What you hear about? Yeah, go ahead. Look at you for your fire. Yo. So from the Greenlands Empire we have in lane 1 Lady Greenland, okay? Yeah. Alright. From B, me have faith now. Then can and from the Brands Empire we have a race. Watch out. Alright. And guess what now? From the Birds Empire we have. And guess what now? From the Birds Empire we have. Angry Birds. Team Angry Birds. Come in. Team Angry Birds. Alright. We have from the Thomas Empire we have Christian and we have Opton down there. So we have the Thomas Empire. Alright, come. Alright. So because the Greenland Empire won the previous race, we're gonna give her a jump start. So she's gonna start from here. Alright? So are you ready?
Yeah.
On your mark. Get set. Go. Come B, win B. B win. Oh yes, I come here now. Win. Chrissy, what though? Chrissy, come down, Chrissy. Walk down, even move. Walk down, you're worthless. The man that reached nowhere. No, sir. Alright, sir. So how do you feel to be the winner? How do you feel to be the winner?
Champion, boy.
Feel like champion? Roma raising style. Big up yourself. Let's take out none. Babe, how do you feel to be second, to come in second place?
By default.
You feel nice? No. And come here, sir. Come here, Sir Thomas. How do you feel to leave all the way from Jamaica?
I feel good, sir.
To Beijing? And you didn't complete the race. How do you feel? How do you feel?
Very good.
Let me speak to your wife. How do you feel about your husband?
Very excellent.
No, that's right. How was your husband performance?
Yeah, how was your husband performance? We don't need prayer.
I'm proud of him.
No, sir.
Supportive bad.
That's very good. She come like somebody wife them. Like them like.
People them.
Start recording.
Come up. We have 4 ladies waiting, 1 lady from New York waiting. Come in. Pick up for yourself. Pick nobody. What are the Come in, boss. Come in. Okay, now easy man. Come in, man. Sure. No, flip. Come here. Which team win? Which team win? Alright, got it. So, first 2 flippers. So that's only first 2 flippers versus the last 2 flippers. First 2 flippers. So thank you guys for participating. Come here. First 2 versus the last 2. Over here. Alright, get it up. Where the back leg, Kamal? No, screw over. First 2 versus the last 2. Where's your cup? Alright, good. Hold on to your cup. We're gonna take away the other cups. First 2 versus the last 2. Shut them up. First 2 versus the last 2. First 2 versus the last 2. Same way. So, where are you ladies from?
Germany.
USA, where are you from? Alright, so USA versus Jamaica right now for the finale. This is yours.
Can I say the people in third?
Hello, this is yours.
Third son.
Alright, let's go. Hello, 6 feet apart, sir.
You wanna share a little? I don't share with you. You want that? I can't do that. No, I'm gonna do that. When you come back?
What do you mean, what happens? It's a bit kind of hard now. I'm not big on dark liquor, I'm more like tequila. Get it off the girl. No, I need
Okay guys, so it's the end of the day and it's time to go home. Yeah, so we had a good day. How was your day?
Full of surprise and everything. It was a good day. I enjoy myself. You see it. So I must say thanks to who?
Samoa.
Yeah, thanks to my wife.
Yes.
Right, so it was
and
a
the
good
crew.
day. Yeah, them people over here, so we had tricked me from last week and the week before and all of them something there. Yeah, if you dig them up. So guys, remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.
Remember to like this video and to drop your comments down below, alright?
Yeah.
Anything else?
No, I see nothing else. Bahia was nice. We enjoyed ourselves thoroughly. We enjoyed the pool. We never really go on the beach, even though the beach is like right here. I could show them the beach.
Probably stop it down.
So the beach is right there. But we didn't go. The sun is about to set. And it's a good day. But you don't know. We enjoyed ourselves. It was a great day. We said that whole heap of time though, because we really did enjoy our day. And I'm glad he was surprised. I'm glad he enjoyed his birthday weekend and all of them things there. So like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Thanks for watching.